Hello and welcome to today's edition of Frightfully Forgotten Brews. And today we're featuring a beer that I struggled to find a name for the longest time. Last minute it got me. It is this year's 2018 Oktoberfest beer, which I have named Madman Marzen beer.
Nice.
Now, I was struggling forever to find a fucking name for it. I didn't know what to call it. And so I started watching my 31 Days of Horror this year, so a horror movie a day, and so I got the Amazon Prime. The first ones I watched was the movie Madman, and the name of the Madman is Mars with a Z, M-A-R-Z, or Z for you Americans. And I thought, oh, Mars. Well, Oktoberfest is a Marzen brew. Brewed in March, Madman Marzen, and finally I got it.
It worked out, because you had the Marzen attacks or whatever you had, and then that was used.
That was used, by I believe a Canadian brewery. I think it might have been Phillips.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Anyways, it was used, so I had to change it.
Yeah.
And this was actually brewed in March. It's a true Marzen beer. It was brewed in March, cellared, and then served in September for Oktoberfest.
Perfect.
So here's the recipe. It's very easy. It's 5.5 pounds of Munuch Type 2 malt, which is a bit darker than Munuch Type 1 malt, and that's what I used last year. So I decided to change it up this year. And then 5.5 pounds of German Pilsner. And hops is 3/4 of an ounce of Hallertau at boil. Last 1/4 ounce at 30-minute mark. And that's it.
That's all you need.
Yeah, and then I used the Fermentis Lager yeast, the S-23.
Right.
And then, cellared it from basically March through July.
Okay.
To give it enough time to carb up, because I know that, like, if it's sitting that long in the cellar, a lot of the yeast is going to drop out of suspension and it won't carb up as quick.
Yeah.
But I did add some yeast before bottling. So if you are planning on doing a true Oktoberfest type beer, make sure to add some extra yeast before you add your priming sugar, because a lot of the yeast is falling out of suspension and it won't activate with the priming sugar to carbonate. So
yeah, I've had that problem.
And until next time, keep drinking. Happy Oktoberfest.
Happy Halloween.